Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Working on the injection pump. Gonna disassemble it for repair. Of course, that damn nut would get stuck on there. Whoa, that's what I did not want. Now I gotta go play fetch and find that washer. Got my Capri 1/4 ratchet here. Was gonna impact these, but no need to. Gotta do some repair because where the bolt goes to, it broke out. I'm going to look at getting my bar I was using the other day to get them rear axles apart. And maybe a pry bar, if that don't work, should pop it off. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, there's some thread damage there too, so I got some work cut out for me. Could just get a pre-built injection pump, but how fun is that? I wouldn't be N.R.T if I didn't fix everything. Take a lot longer, but anybody can throw a rebuilt injection pump on a tractor, but when you rebuild the injection pump and you work with what you got, should be able to come off now. Get that, look at that. It's that cover. So it's not too bad on this cover, just threads are damaged right there. So not threads, but that. So got some TIG welding to do. I know I'm gonna have to hire it out. Either way, it needs done. Get my little pick on there and down. I need to get one of them. Where do I even start? Come on, you damn keyway. Guess I'll work on other things on it until that damn keyway's stuck and damn FedEx taking all damn day to deliver my blast cabinet. Need to get another tarp in here. Had first rain whole summer and you can definitely tell fall's on the way. I would have liked to take this thing to my electric tractor pull in September, but that's not gonna happen. I mean, it's just not gonna happen. I mean, you can do a job half-ass and redo a job, or you can do a job right and do it once. That was barely in there. Hopefully you guys see what the heck I'm doing. Trying to better my video quality. Hopefully videos get more views. Those are loose. Got my Capri ratchets. Capri. I love these things. They're nice and have a soft grip to them, and they're far. I mean, if you told me you could got all 3 of these ratchets for only $100, I'd say you're lying. I think there should be 300. Gosh, they're literally right below Snap-on. I mean, some people say they're below Harbor Freight or above Harbor Freight, some, but I don't know. See, that's corroded. Can you get one of them? Separate the men from the boys. Just take it to a diesel shop. They can rebuild it for you. You paying? Oh, there's that tag right there. Didn't even see that before. It's a very expensive part. A used one we built's like $2K. So it's definitely something if you can repair yourself. You want to. Just. This is, people wonder why projects take so long. Well, this crap right here, disassembling part, like, this is what's taking forever. Just disassembling all these little parts that have 1,000 little pieces in them. And going through them. And then waiting for companies to get back to me on sponsorships, because I ain't made of money as much as people think I am. I'm way over budget on this unit. Got some new subscribers from Facebook, so I appreciate that. If you're over here from Facebook, this video probably will be on Facebook, a couple little ones of it. The smell coming off this injection pump is a smell you'll remember. And these things, I believe, the only way to get the damn thing off is you're gonna have to. There's probably a tool for this, but I don't have it. But and of course the damn thing won't come off. How about this? Nope. See if I have a socket that says is that off? Oh, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. I don't know where I'm. Wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Don't know where I'll be tomorrow. See them little damn bolts like that. You see right there, that's all cracked out. Oh, show you guys with my pre-light. See right there, it's all cracked out. I gotta weld that up. I had the piece, but I tried MIGing it and I melted it. So now I got basically, I'm just gonna probably weld that shut, grind it down, and then drill a hole and retap it. I think it's the best bet. But god dang. Fuel pump tag right here. See if I can zoom that in for you guys. Well, that is focus. 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 There it is right there. That tag. Dang it. Come on, you stubborn little bastards. I know these come up. Just when's it gonna come up? All these little as you see, it's not best looking in there. Bearing has a lot of play in it. I'll just try to get this damn keyway out of here now. I don't know what the hell's going on with this damn thing. It's not as easy as it looks. Might just grind that down and replace the keyway. Probably should. Trying to break up all that garbage in there so I can get in here with my Ugga-Dugga and hit it a couple times. Hit me with your best shot. I'm far away. Hit me with your best shot. I'm far away. Cooking on history. Hit me with your passion. I'm far away. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I might just be able to hit that. Hit that out. How's it mounted? Of course there's a damn roll pin. Of course there is. And of course it's not. That's not the size that I have a punch. Of course. Never dull moment. Never damn dull moment. Pretty damn simple, but that's because it's old school. It ain't new. It's old school. Maybe could ever get this damn thing to stop moving on me. Damn owl. Woohoo! Woohoo! Shut the heck up. Yeah, we're gonna need some more tools. We're gonna need a bunch of hexes. I am surprised that he even did that. Oh heck. That was fast. See if I can do it on this one. Alright. Okay, there's that. I don't know if that's supposed to be bent, but that's bent. Blew that damn keyway right up out of there. Look at that. Get that out of there. Basically disassembling the whole damn injection pump. What the hell that is? Like a clip or something? I don't think so. It's garbage. We gotta get this damn clip out of here. Good thing you got more of them. The hell is that? Never seen one of them before. It's a nut going all the way through that thing. So I guess it's supposed to stop it? That doesn't make sense. Why would they? Something like that in here to or this insane blast cabinet if it ever gets here. Come on, FedEx. And the bullshit thing is it's not even. It's in my town right now, but FedEx driver hasn't delivered it. Yeah, we got a lot of tigging to do. Or someone else got a lot of tigging to do. Prefer me, because it wouldn't hurt to learn TIG. It'd be a hell of a lot cheaper too. But I don't know. I think this is gonna be a series. Look at that goddamn O-ring right there. So we're gonna need to get an O-ring kit because I don't feel like ordering every single Ford part. And these are just O-rings, they don't need anything special, so I'll go ahead and order a kit. And I'm gonna probably get some hexes from Capri Tools for that. This will be a series. I don't know if this will be part of the restoration series, long format videos, or this will be its own series in itself. But I want to tell everyone, please subscribe, because you won't want to miss this. Turn on notification, leave, like, comment, share this video. Check me out on other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you on part 2.